I know what it's like to feel financial stress, wondering if I'll ever have enough for my kids, or for vacation, or even retirement. I wanted a way to make money online, and I found a system that works, and now I help other moms to do the same. So, if you're a mom struggling to make ends meet while raising your family, or you're tired of feeling guilty for working too much and missing out on family moments, or you want to make extra cash but don't know where to start, then I've got the solution for you. I help moms build a fully automated digital business that brings in consistent income without cold messaging, recruiting, or feeling salesy. Using this blueprint, you learn how to set up a digital marketing system that works for you 24/7. You will learn how to master attraction marketing to bring in customers effortlessly. And you will learn how to automate a sales process, and you'll learn email marketing for passive income. You also learn how to build long-term financial security for your family. So if you want to learn more about this blueprint, comment blueprint, and I would love to send you the details.